How to download and install any Wi-Fi driver for Windows 10 or 11. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, come onto the PC's search bar. Then here type in Device Manager. You will see Device Manager, click on Open. Now then, you will see Network Adapters. Double click onto it. Then you will see the name of your Wi-Fi. In my case, this is my Wi-Fi's name. So locate it, then right click onto it, click on Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. Once it is so, it has been updated. Now you can close it. In your case, the Wi-Fi driver or the Wi-Fi name might be different, so make sure that you search correctly. Just right click onto it, click on Update Driver, search automatically, or you can also browse through your computers for driver. Once done, close it, then restart your device, and that shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.